Are you tired of fumbling with cords? Are you sick of your monitor mocking you with its empty ports? Do you have an AGCO monitor that looks just like this? And do you want to plug a camera into it without having to sell your kidney for the right adapter? There must be a better way. And now there is. The DM5M12AM adapter from Dakota Micro. It's so simple, it's practically a miracle. Just plug one end into your camera and the other end into the monitor. It's like a handshake for your technology. A beautiful, beautiful, harmonious handshake. If you have an AGCO NT01 Tyton or Vario monitor and a Dakota Micro camera, this cable is just for you. It connects your AgCam, EnduraCam, and RazerCam camera into the monitor with ease. It has a 12M A5-pin male connector and a Switchcraft EN35 socket female. You don't need to know what any of that stuff means, just know that it works. These monitors are very particular about their camera signals. It's kind of like your friend's fancy pretentious coffee order. These monitors only accept a CVBS signal in a PAL format. So please, for the love of all that is holy, please verify your camera signal and your format before you buy. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than a North Dakota winter and made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time.